Yes, good afternoon, children. This is your political science teacher, Jasveer Kaur, here to teach you about your chapter number 5, next part of your challenges to Congress system and its restoration. Till now, we have studied about the different challenges faced by the Congress since 1952 to 64. It was going on well. After that, the death of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, it has to face some different type of challenges, because till now there was no change in the leadership and it was very experienced person going on with the help of experienced person going on well. But now, as earlier we have discussed, there are different type of leaderships are there, competitions are there, and now about the fourth general election. Fourth general elections of 1967. Fourth general elections of 1967 are to be held, and what were the result? It was very dramatic result. Whatsoever was there in earlier in Indian politics, the picture is completely somewhat changed. Entirely scenario changed regarding the political parties. Now Congress has to lose its seats from different states, right, due to different reasons. Total Congress lost its seats in 9 states of India, right, Punjab, Haryana, UP, MP, Bihar, West Bengal, Odisha, and some areas of Madras, that is from South India. So Madras and that areas, and the 2 states it has to lose its election due to defection. Means a claim of defection, you know, that is previously we have discussed it, and due to that defection it has to lose, and the total scenario has been changed. The dramatic nature of the political change would be more visible to you people at state level. The Congress lost its majority in all these states whatsoever: Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, Odisha, and presidency these areas of South India, Madras and Kerala. And Madras and Kerala, there is one regional party, NDMK, that is Drivadiya Mantra Kazi Kazangam, came to power securing a clear-cut majority. The DMK won power after having led a massive anti-Hindi agitation. That issue is still lingering on. Right? They captured the majority of the people by raising this movement, and yesterday in my previous video I was telling that the peasant of this area, they captured their attention, gained their favor, gained their support, and led agitation against Congress, and that become a big factor from that area, that Congress has to lose the election, lose the majority, could not win majority, it was defeated over there. So when DMK won power after having led a massive anti-Hindi agitation by the student against the center on the issue of imposition of Hindi as an official language. They were telling that their own local language should get this type of representation, this type of recognition in the scheduled languages over there, and it is lingering on till now also. तेलंगाना, हैदराबाद और दिस आंध्र प्रदेश में जो अभी तक कुछ पार्टीशन जोग्राफिकल बाउंड्रीज की हैं, दैट इज़ आल्सो समवट फ्रॉम दिस टाइम ओनली दिस इशू वॉज गोइंग ऑन नाइन. सिंस देन पीपल वर being convinced, asked them do this. In this way came to power by securing a clear-cut majority. The DMK won power after having led a massive imposition of Hindi as official language. This was the first time any non-Congress party had secured a majority in these states, right? And in Kerala it was in the beginning without non-Congress party was there, right? In हमने second chapter में और first chapter में ये पढ़ा था. But other areas it was first time that Congress was defeated here due to this language issue. And in the other 8 state coalition government consisting of different non-Congress party was formed. Non-Congress party, that Morarji Desai and other, they spread this ideology of non-Congressism into different opposition political parties to the Congress. They formed their own alliance and formed their government. Actually they cannot gain majority by one or single party, but with the collaboration they got majority over there. So in this way, this coalition, you know that when single party don't get majority, at that time different political party come together, join hand in hand to form government. That type of coalition, that type of togetherness is called this alliance political formation. And the popular saying was that one could take a train from Delhi to Havda, not pass through a single Congress ruled state. Very important quotation. Delhi to Havda, Havda is there in West Bengal. अब वहाँ से आप दिल्ली से वेस्ट बंगाल की तरफ आएंगे, से नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न की तरफ से ईस्टर्न की तरफ आएंगे, तो कोई भी स्टेट में रास्ते में आपको नो स्टेट इज़ रूल्ड बाय कांग्रेस, राइट? ऑल द स्टेट्स आर नॉन कांग्रेस रूल ओवर देयर. एंड पॉपुलर सेइंग इट इज़ देयर, एंड इट वाज स्ट्रेंज फीलिंग फॉर दोज हु वर यूज्ड टू सी कांग्रेस इन पावर, एंड इट वाज नाउ द डोमिनेशन ऑफ द कांग्रेस वाज ओवर. Now there is actual political competition in India in its political system. In some historical books it is written that now the actual representation will come in front of the people, actual democracy will come in front of the people. Earlier, because during freedom struggle this Congress party was leading, everything was going on accordingly under their leadership, it is good thing. But now actually the citizen of India, the politics of India, they have aware now, they know what to do, and why to do, and what is the measures with the help of what they can do the things. So in this way coalition government consisting of different non-Congress party was formed there in all these states. So coalition government, non-Congressism, disaster, dramatic change in this, that change in the state level, then there is a coalition, and coalition formation, right? It was I told you, mentioned regarding that. So in this way that is another important part. Election gave us this very clear cut picture of these elections. So that is why these governments came to be described as SVD governments. SVD government ideologically, right? So in Bihar, for instance, included two socialist party, SSP and PSP. SVD government in Bihar consists of two political parties, SSP and PSP, along with CPI, the left, Jan Singh on the right. In Punjab it was called Popular United Front, comprised the two rival Akali parties. At that time Sangat group and other was the Master group, with both the Communist Party CPI and CPIM and the SSP Republican Party and Bahujan Sangh Rashtriya Samh Party. So all these they have formed their coalition. Now the time has come. It was in the MP election, and some other states were also got affected with the result of this general election in these 9 states, and other states whatsoever left, they were also being affected. ऐसे होता है इलेक्शंस में, अभी टाइम होता है, पीपल चेंज देयर पॉलिटिकल ओपिनियन, इवन पॉलिटिकल लीडर ट्राइंग टू कन्विंस देम, ट्राइंग टू फीड देम दैट सी इन दोज स्टेट्स दिस गवर्नमेंट हैज़ got the victory, this is the winner and this is the loser, got defeated. So accordingly you have to make your political opinion so that लोगों को लगता है कि वहाँ ये सब कुछ चल रहा है. तो अगर हम लोग कुछ पार्टीज जीत भी जाती है लेकिन वो मेजॉरिटी में नहीं आते, हमारे पॉलिटिकल लीडर, उनकी गवर्नमेंट नहीं फॉर्म होती, तो अल्टीमेटली दे डोंट हैव एनी रोल इन देयर फॉर्मेशन ऑफ political policies of the country. Then they change the opinion, go towards the winner, goes towards the party that is getting majority in other parts of the country, in other states of the country, that further give lead to that party more in a progression period, in more progressive way, more initiative way. So that is also one political opinion. कुछ क्रिटिक इसमें समटाइम ये भी कहते हैं कि एट वंस ऑल द इलेक्शन शुड बी देयर, रिजल्ट शुड बी एट वन टाइम. Such type of views are there to promote or demote such type of issues and views regarding politics. So when we talk about this defection, it is also very important. Elected representatives leave the party on whose symbol he and join the other party. You know that in 1967 there was a big, very famous person was there, that is known as Aya Ram and Gaya Ram from Haryana Legislative Council Assemblies. That was Gaya Lal. Gaya Lal was a political leader there. Gaya Ram, sometime he coming in the party in MLA as Haryana, then he changed his party after 15 days 1967 election, then once again he changed his party. So he was famous with this quotation Aya Ram and Gaya Ram. His name was Gaya Ram. So that is given on your book, very clear cut picture of this quotation Aya Ram, Gaya Ram. That is you have to learn for the example for this anti-defection or defection in political party or Indian politics. Okay, bye students, take care.